Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath. It's a great breath practice, great pranayama to strengthen the abdominal muscles and to stimulate the digestive system. And depending on the pace that you practice it and the intensity, can also create quite a bit of heat in the body. The way you practice it is that the effort is in the exhale. As you exhale, you pull the lower belly in towards the back of the spine with quite a bit of effort, where the exhale is out through the nose, like this. The inhale then comes naturally, without any effort or sound. To join me in 20 rounds, place your thumbs and index fingers together, let your hands rest on your thighs. Make sure you find a comfortable seated position where you can sit upright and close the eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. And allow the face to become soft, the shoulders sink away from the ears. To join in for 20 rounds, exhale fully. Inhale 70-80%. And on the exhale, you snap the belly. After the last round, release the effort. No sound, just observation. And then open the eyes. You can start this breathing practice by starting with 20 pumps and work your way up to 100. And make sure that the pace resembles that you need. So if your mind is really quick and you feel hectic, then practice slow. If you need a little more stimulation, then practice in twice the speed. Namaste.